Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am back with entry. I know this time is 50. um, this, like I said, I had 5 packages come in yesterday. I believe this might be all of them, so once I get them uploaded, we will see what happens the rest of the week. But I want to thank y'all so much. And the package, I went ahead and cut open and just removed since it was wrapped up. So let me unwrap it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Let's see here. Yes, I got my little handy dandy sharp tool. Oh, I love this. Let's see if I can figure out how to, is it tucked? Yeah. Isn't that so pretty? I love how you did that, like how we do our tassels. And then she had it tucked in like that. That is such a cute idea. It says thankful. That is so cute. She's got the blings on it, which are some of my favorite colors. I love all the fall colors, y'all. And then she's got this gold acorn. I can't tell if that's a sticker or if that's a die cut. And then she's got a gold doily back here. Excuse me. These gorgeous flowers on this plaid background. Y'all know I love so much. And look. I cannot believe. Look, it's even got the tags. And these tags got little acorns on them. That's cute. I love that. And then she's got this cut out right here. Yeah. She's got this cut out that's also on paper. So pretty. I love all the gold foil. Oh, she's got it Velcroed. Oh my goodness. Okay, I wanted to make sure I wasn't showing anything. Okay. I do believe I remember you had a VR. Leave me a comment below. Make sure. I'm pretty sure I saved it. And this comes from Cristie R Crafts. And oh my goodness. It is too cute. Too cute, too cute. The only reason I say that is because I remember seeing the bunny and I remember like clicking off. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Just double make sure. I love these little booklets like this. It's one of the reasons why I did the envelope flip book, because I had not made anything like this, and I just love the way they look. Okay, give me just a second, and please ignore the paper crinkle, as I always say. I know y'all don't like it, but this stuff is just too gorgeous not to share. Oh, I love all those colors. This is one, I mean, I do love the dark blues, but this is one of my favorite shades of blues. My, couple of homes back, this was, it was a little bit lighter shade, but this smoky blue-gray color was color I had in my kitchen. And then I had the lighter version in my bedroom. Oh my gosh, she has got these rosettes. So beautiful. And she's got, okay, let's see if I can share this. She has got this layer of the gold leaf tulle. She's got the rosette. She's got the bunny. Oh, it's so cute. It says hello. She's layered it with pearls and blings. It looks like she's even inked around the edges and distressed it. And then this one is the acorn paper, and she's turned this one into like a banner. And it's got the cutout pumpkin and more bling. And she's also got this. I would like to make sure that I don't tear nothing up, but be able to share it too. This beautiful leaf tulle. And it's, I mean, it looks like it's die cut, but I'm guessing, did you cut that with like pinking shears? That's so pretty. And even she's done the card all up with the pumpkin and the banners and the papers. Wow, you went all out to decorate, didn't you, honey? Wow. I need to start getting better at, doing prettier packages like y'all have been. Y'all are just so talented, and I don't know, I just feel like I'm always running late and behind. And so I'm like, oh, just throw it in a plastic bag, we'll be good. And she's got a card here, and look, she's got another one of the bunnies, and it says thankful. And then she's got the banners up here, and there's a pine cone right here. She's distressed it around the edges. That is just too cute. Thank you, honey. She says, hi, Carmen. I hope you enjoy what I have made for you. The MD is a message to just keep moving forward. I remember you telling me that. I hope you don't allow anyone to get in the way of the things you love. Keep being you. Thank you. Sorry, I did not mean to get emotional, but it blesses me when somebody sees my real heart. Or at least takes the chance to try to get to know me. And I'm thankful for that. And I'm going to remember that, and that's people like you and all you wonderful people who are trying to get to know me without judging me. That's what I'm thankful for this year. Besides my typical family, I'm just like, oh, I'm definitely thankful for y'all this year. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry about my blubbering. Hold on, let me make sure I'm not showing any information. Oh, I think, hold on. Let me check this package real quick. Oh, I see now. I am blubbering. Thank you for making me cry now. Okay, I've got it now. Look, she's got this beautiful blue jay, and it's got the fall background paper, and she's included this beautiful, this is actually, this lighter color was what I was referring to. It's like that smoky color. That's what I had in my bedroom. And it says wonder. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. And she's got the arrow on here to keep moving forward. And I will. Thank you for that precious message, because, like I said on one of my other ones, sometimes God just has y'all bless me in a way that is so much deeper than just, as much as I love everything that everybody sends me, especially the handmade items. I'm so blessed by each and every one of y'all, but sometimes God just puts y'all in the path just to send me what I need when I need it. She's even got these little glitter spots like snow. I'm sorry. You just really, today is the day. Find your loveliness. Oh, sweetheart. You have blessed me so much. Okay. Let's learn about a little bit of something about, oh, wait, hold on. There's something more in that bag. Okay. Let's learn about her a little bit. She is known as Cristie R. Cristie R. Crafts. Her birthday is August 11th. Same birthday as my son. And son-in-law now. Favorite colors, pink, black, gold, glitter. I love those colors. Favorite candy, gummies and sour candy. Favorite brands are Authentique, Crepe Paper, Tim Holtz. She loves cats, sequins, moon, and stars. And then I've got her address. And I am so grateful for that. And look how cute this little owl is. Find your loveliness. And she has made this into a little card. Honey, your message is loud and clear. And I just cannot thank you enough for that. I really mean that from the bottom of my heart to the soles of my feet, to the top of my hair. Y'all just bless me so much. And I'm sorry about the paper. She's got a few little goodies in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, honey, she's put some cutouts, and you didn't have to do all this. But I don't have anything like this, so I'm so grateful. Oh, look at the little raccoon. Somebody sent me like a little bitty button or flat back that had one of these, and it was itty bitty. I'm gonna have to put that pair of those together. And look at that gorgeous copper gold colored leaf. Oh my gosh. And then the cute little owl. And look at the little snail. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then there's a gold leaf. And a cute little deer. Oh my goodness, how precious. And another gold leaf. Honey, thank you so, so much. Y'all know her link will be in the description box. I want to make sure everything's in the frame. So let me pull this down a little bit. Y'all see her talent. See, I just love the way y'all do y'all's cards. I've got to get better at that. Thank y'all so much. I apologize for the tears. She was just, you know, she had told me that she had that message in there for me. And that just means so much to me, that you would think of me and encourage me the way you have. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all mean the world to me. And we've got 2 more. So with that being said, as I always say, I wish you the absolute best.